How to buy ZEN, the Horizen token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before that, go and check Derek's account. As you can see, they have a big community there, and keep following the updates about this token. Make sure to check their Discord too. It's included in Derek's account. Now, to be able to buy this token, go and open it on CoinMarketCap. As you can see, this token, it's available in plenty exchange platforms like Binance, Bybit, Coinbase, KuCoin, HTX, Mixi, and other. Now, if you use one of these platforms, for me, like Mixi, I will just click here and they will redirect me to my account, as you can see, and now I will be able to buy this token. So you have two options, the limit option and the market option. If you select the limit option, as you can see, now this token, the price of it, as you can see, $29. Now, as you can see, now here, enter how much ZEN you want to buy. Now, because I don't have any fund on my account, I can't enter how much I want to buy. Now, for you, just enter how much you want to buy, and this total will be changed to what equal by your amount that you entered of ZEN to buy it. Now, after that, click on buy and you will buy it. Now, if you select the market option, as you can see, now for this you can drop and then select the percentage of your funds of USDT that you have in Mixi to be able to buy the ZEN. So after that, click on buy and you will buy the ZEN token. So this is how to buy the ZEN token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.